Hey everyone, let's get straight into a super important process, recovering your ELLIPAL wallet. Maybe you upgraded your phone, lost your original device, or just needed to reset. As long as you have your 12, 18, or 24-word seed phrase, you can restore everything. This is how you reclaim full control over your crypto. First, you'll need the ELLIPAL app on your new device. Open it up. Since we're recovering an existing wallet, you're looking for the option to import or restore wallet. Tap that. The app will then ask you which method you want to use. Since we're using our backup words, select mnemonic phrase or seed phrase. Now, the crucial step. You'll be prompted to input your words. It is vital to enter them exactly as you wrote them down. Pay attention to spelling, lowercase letters, and the order. ELLIPAL's interface will likely provide numbered fields, making this straightforward. For example, if you have a 24-word phrase, you'll input the first word into field 1, the second into field 2, and so on. Take your time, accuracy is everything here. Once all words are entered, the app will ask you to set a wallet name and, most importantly, a login password. This password is your new key for this device. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Confirm your new password, review your inputs one last time, and then tap Confirm or Complete. The ELLIPAL app will now take a moment to generate your wallet from the seed phrase. It's essentially scanning the blockchain for the addresses associated with those words. Don't close the app during this process. Once it's done, you should see your newly recovered wallet pop up on the main screen. Your balances should all be there, just as you left them. If you had multiple accounts or tokens, you might need to tap the plus sign to add asset to make them visible again, but don't worry, the recovery process brings back all of your underlying addresses. Just add the necessary coin or token, and the balance will populate. That's it. You've successfully recovered your wallet using your seed phrase. Remember, this phrase is the absolute master key to your funds. If anyone gets it, they own your crypto. So, store it securely, offline, and never, ever take a digital photo of it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more essential crypto security and setup guides. Stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.